Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel. This is Sapy, and today we're going to practice some easy daily use English sentences. So let's get started. सच में? Really? Really? समझ आया? Got it? Got it? भूल जाओ. Forget it. Forget it. दूर जाओ. Go away. Go away. समझ गए? Understood. Understood. शांत रहिए. Be quiet. Be quiet. ये पाप है. It's a sin. It's a sin. इसे साफ करो. Clean it. Clean it. कभी नहीं. Not at all. Not at all. हमेशा की तरह. As usual. As usual. ये मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. शर्माओ मत. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. डरो मत. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. Get ready. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. आँख मत मारो. Do not wink or don't wink. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मेरे साथ रहो. Be with me. Be with me. तुम कौन हो? Who are you? Who are you? कौन जानता है? Who knows? Who knows? कौन जाएगा? Who will go? Who will go? मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. Come with me. ये किसने किया? Who did it? Who did it? आप कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. Nothing else. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. ढक्कन खोल दो. Open the lid. Open the lid. मैं नहीं गया. I didn't go. I didn't go. जाकर सो जाओ. Go and sleep. Go and sleep.